ICC already scrutinized their respective claims. I mean, si Mr. Las Cañas nakuha na ng ICC. Now, he was given, in fact, a partial immunity. That was reported, that he was given a limited immunity. Now, si Mr. Matobato ay nakaalis rin, just like Las Cañas, who left earlier, sometime in 2019. Now, si Mr. Matobato, alam ko, was able to leave second quarter of last year. Nung una, hindi pa siya ina-access ng ICC. Eventually, they did. And that's why, kailangan na niyang umalis para mas maging easier yung magiging access ng ICC sa kanya. So ICC vetted both already. And tinanggap na yung lalo na yung kay Mr. Las Cañas. I'm not very updated as to Mr. Matobato as to the very status ng kanyang pagiging sa ICC niya. Pero ang alam ko, na-access na rin siya ng ICC. And that both of them are now under the protective custody of ICC. So pasado sa ICC, importante silang witnesses para sa kanila.